RFID tag scanned. Data synchronized.
Confirmed. Relocation authorized. Proceed to the next animal.
All units, convoy is approaching the main gate. Clear the landing zone.
Roger that. Bay 4 is secure. Guide the transport to docking bay 4. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Confirmed. Proceeding to docking bay 4.
From the heart of the desert, utilizing advanced infrastructure, we bring you the finest Arabian camel leather. From the vast, arid ranch through the bustling souk, the camel trade is now global. 7,000, going once, going twice. A journey spanning thousands of miles concludes here, as the wild Bactrian finds its new owner.
The presentation standard here is exceptional, but I think this clasp needs to be perfectly centered. I agree. The camel leather texture is superb. The flow is excellent. Yeah.
The demand for leather spiked unexpectedly in Q3, mostly driven by the European market.
Is the current supply chain equipped to handle that volume without impacting the meat sector?
The demand for camel leather in North Africa has quadrupled. And the projections for meat consumption align perfectly. The yield stabilized after the adjustment in Unit 3. Are the new packing lines online?
Yes, sir. We're seeing a 20% increase in throughput already. Excellent progress on the assembly line. Ensure the logistics maps are updated for the next phase. Welcome to the Apex facility, where our integrated approach combines sustainable meat processing with high-quality leather manufacturing, all under one roof.
The craftsmanship on this jacket is incredible. Feel this leather.
It's
stunning.
Yeah.
And the bag matches perfectly.
The stitching on this duffel is absolutely flawless.
And the leather feels incredibly soft. It's worth the price. As you can feel, the leather is exceptionally supple. It drapes beautifully and truly is a timeless piece.
Look at the grain on this one. Yeah. Yes, very high quality. Move it to the drying rack.
Here, our artisans transform the finest camel leather into objects of desire, ensuring every stitch meets our exacting standards.
The grain is perfect here, absolutely flawless.
Yes, this panel is exceptional.
Feel the softness here. It's perfect, indeed. This is the quality we need. This is the finest sheet from the shipment. Feel the suppleness.
It's exquisite. The color consistency is also perfect.
Make sure the curve follows the grain exactly here. Yes, normalized. I have the measurement set. Found a minor inconsistency right here. Understood.
I'll make a note for the cutting stage.
Here, the raw camel hides are processed in massive tanning drums, a precise blend of chemistry and motion crucial for luxury leather production.
We should use this darker caramel shade for the trim. It feels so luxurious.
Yes, that works perfectly with the structure.
Yeah.
Perhaps if we emphasize the stitching along this curve.
Yes, that brings out the unique texture perfectly. Look at this subtle scarring right here. Yeah.
Yes, but the pliability is perfect. We can still grade this A.
Look at the grain here.
What's it going to?
It's perfect. This one meets the premium standard.
Look at the schematic here. The pH levels are spiking.
Yes, I see it. I'll adjust the flow rate immediately.
Monitor the temperature in vat 4. It seems high. No, the system regulated it automatically. The pH levels are optimal now. Size 42, design B. Got it. These are all flawless. This one is the medium sleeve panel, correct?
Yes, matches the specification sheet exactly.